Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Poco C75 is water resistant or not. Now to check if the Poco C75 is water resistant or not, just open the Chrome browser. Now from here, search Poco. Now from here, just open this website. Now from here, just tap on more and tap on Poco C75. Now from here, scroll down. Now in the key features, now from here, scroll down. Now as you can see, the Poco C75 does not have an IP water resistance certification, which means the Poco C75 is not water resistant. And this is how you can check if the Poco C75 is water resistant or not. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.